In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a product on Canva. We will walk through everything a beginner needs, step by step, so you can follow along on your screen without guessing. First, open Canva. If you are using the website, your browser will load the Canva homepage with recent designs and templates. If you are on the app, it will show a similar home view with a search bar at the top. Wait until you see the main Canva dashboard before you move on. Now click Create a Design. You will usually find this button near the top right of the screen, and it is often highlighted in color. Once you click it, a small menu or panel appears, showing suggested sizes and a search box. This is where you tell Canva what kind of product you want to make. From there, search for the type of product you want, such as t-shirt, sticker, mug, business card, or product packaging. Type your product name into the search box, then pause a moment for Canva to show matching options. You will see different layouts with labels like t-shirt or business card, each with its own size already set. Choosing from these results saves you from manually entering dimensions later. Once you see the product options, choose a template or start with a blank design. Clicking a ready-made template will open a new design page with text and graphics already placed. Picking a blank design opens the same page, but with an empty canvas in the correct size. Templates are faster for beginners, while a blank canvas gives full control if you want something very custom. Next up, add your product elements. For text, click into any existing text box or add a new one so you can type names, slogans, or short descriptions. Under Elements, you can browse graphics and icons that match your theme, such as simple shapes or detailed illustrations. In Uploads, bring in your own images or logo so the product matches your brand. Under Elements, you can also use Generate to create AI graphics, which lets Canva create new art from your prompt instead of only using existing images. With your pieces in place, customize the colors, fonts, shapes, and layout. Select any item on the canvas, and toolbars appear above or beside it showing color swatches, font choices, and alignment tools. You can drag corners to resize shapes and images, and drag items around to arrange them so they feel balanced. A helpful trick is to use Canva guides that appear as pink lines to keep things centered or aligned with other elements. After that, check the design at the correct size. Zoom in and out using the zoom control at the bottom right to view both the whole product and the details. Make sure text is readable and not too close to the edges, especially for things that will be printed. What you see at 100% zoom is a good preview of how large it will look in real life. At this point, click Share, then Download. The Share button usually sits in the upper right corner, and when you click it, a menu opens with several options. Choosing Download opens a panel that lets you control how your finished product file will be saved to your device. Finally, choose the appropriate format, such as PNG for graphics or PDF print for printable products. PNG is great for products like t-shirts, stickers, or mugs, especially when you need a transparent background. PDF print is designed for things like business cards or packaging that go to a professional printer because it keeps the quality and layout very precise. Once you confirm the format and click the final download button, Canva prepares the file and saves it to your computer or device. You have just created a complete custom product design in Canva and downloaded it in the right format for use or printing. If this walkthrough helped you get your product ready, a quick thumbs up helps more people solve the same thing, and feel free to subscribe if you want more Canva tips.